Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on the ReelShort using a promo code. So this is super cool, totally works. So if you guys like ReelShort and you want coins, then watch my video because I'm going to show you an insane promo code method that everyone can do. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super cool and it totally works. So if you're someone that's like willy-nilly about ReelShort because you got no coins, watch my video. Alright, so as you can see, I got tons of coins, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, go to the site, type in ReelShort, find it, press on it, press this button. This will generate your promo code. So be patient, let it load, you're done. Now bear in mind, it is going to ask your email address, so make sure you put that in. So let's just wait for it to load here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to let it load. Come on, come on. Ooh. So anyway, guys, once it loads, it will basically ask for your email address, so you just want to put that in. And then it's going to say activating reward activated. Okay. So now we just need to enter in some stuff. You can see it says like whatever this thing is. It might make you do a survey too. But anyway, guys, be sure to try this out because it's super cool and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. And if you go to the App Store, type in ReelShort and go to in-app. You can see it's very expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try it out. See you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel. It's super cool and it totally works. So peace out. As you can see, I got tons of coins, which is super cool, guys. So this is definitely a method that most people don't know about, I think, and they're just like they probably don't trust promo codes because they think it's fake. But guys, everyone gets their own promo code with this method, so it is super cool. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is so insane, and I'm just really happy that it works. So yeah, get the word out, guys. This is super cool, and you don't have to jailbreak your device or do anything goofy. So it should be an incredible method for all. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, and you don't have to jailbreak your device or do anything goofy, guys. So peace out. Get ready to experience what it's like to be the ReelShort master. So yeah, this is super cool, guys, and peace out. Like